All right, this is take two of my project, my software design project for my Python class, summer 2026. I am going to present my application. Um, I'm going to go over the features and then we will test the features. We'll start from the side demo. This nice little slick animation that's a part of Streamlit. Right now it's using the demo data that I have built into the app. And right now we have a browse feature. Actually, I'm not going to test it right now. We have a browse feature, allow you to browse and pick your file. This button is used to use the upload file. Once it's uploaded, you can click the reset to demo data to reset the data back to this after uploading. We got a search, range, and then we have records. In the middle, we have the title. We have 6 total records from this JSON. We got 2 repeated URLs from this JSON file, which means this videos I watched, URLs that were presented more than once. This is duplicate this is a duplicate of this because this is for like videos I would watch. But it's kind of good because it just lets you know what URLs I visited and what videos I actually watched. We got recent records, which you see here. We have repeated watches. Repeated watches come here. Title URL, title. We got monthly activities, which is all the videos I watched in that month or each month. And then, of course, you got all the records. And down here, we got a downloaded filter CSV file. So if you wanted to download this file and open it as a CSV, I have a Mac, so I don't know if this will actually open up. Actually, it will open up. We'll just test it out real quick. Continue. Blank. Okay, yeah, so it does load a nice CSV file for you if you want to view it in a CSV file. So we'll close that. And we'll go ahead and test the application now. We will browse. I have this in data. This is going to be in my, I have multiple repos because I wanted to make sure it was a clean package of software. I come from an IT background, so I try to keep things as clean as possible. I couldn't set up I couldn't make an environment, Python environment after I zipped it. Yeah, it would have been too much of a lift. Especially since the project's due today. So we go to data, we're gonna go to watch history JSON, and then it's gonna show this nice little slick animation that took forever to figure out because each animation I tried just wasn't really fitting, and yeah, it was just very difficult. 8 weeks trying to learn all this in 8 weeks was very stressful. I'm still probably gonna work on this even when after I'm done. Okay, so after this upload, you're gonna have to click this again to actually use the file, and it will upload all the records. So you see all the records here, all 40,000 records. You got a bunch of repeated URLs. You got a number of URLs that were watched multiple times, which was just my videos and my music, because this is not this YouTube data, this is like music, this is YouTube music data. You have, let's see here, we're gonna test out the search feature. I'm gonna type in David Pakman. He's a political commentary I like to watch. He showed up multiple times. Actually, no, it's only 6 records. Oh, that's because of the date range. So we'll change the date range. I'm not saying like I'll at least watch. Oh, you know what? This is a bad one, but we'll still go through it. So this because of like certain videos, you're only gonna probably watch one video once, just because it's this content that you really only gonna see once, just because it's not made to be repeatedly watched unless you're trying to write a report or something. So we're gonna go from the 9th, and then we'll go from maybe we'll have. Maybe there's a video I've watched multiple times that I really enjoy just for entertainment value. I really only watch one video. Okay, so yeah, I guess this was a bad. Yeah, this was a bad record. Yeah, I didn't watch any repeated videos from David, so I'm gonna do an actual Dame dot. Oops, spelled that wrong. Well, this shows the error match, no record match. So the so this shows that there's no there's nothing in that record because I typed the name incorrectly. So it's gonna just show this message. We're gonna go to Dame dot, and actually I might have to start over. Oh, there we go. Dame. Oh, and his name is spelled one word. Okay, so this is from 2025. We got a couple songs that I listened to multiple times. We have some. This is the amount of songs. So I guess I only listened to him in one time in July and a bunch of times. And and this is funny. So this is when he actually released an album. So yeah, this it actually can. This is why I like this, is because it can show, like, the original project had like graphs. I took out the graphs because it was just too difficult to implement with this short amount of times. But this shows, the amount of information that you was consuming during the month. So you can actually just understand your own listening behavior with these features. These are all the records that I listened to for that month. These are the recent records. I don't like how it shows up multiple times, but that's something I wasn't gonna really work on. And what else? What else could we show? We'll download the filter CSV, make sure it works. Okay, so it shows that CSV file. Perfect. Cool. And we'll show the data persistency feature next. Should have made a list. Tired of writing stuff down. So all right, so this this shows the data persistency just because these records are still here. The demo data, I can click the demo data to reset it, and if I close it, and I'll show you, when I close it and open it, it'll show that demo data, but this is only for one user session. This is not for like multiple user sessions. I did not implement something like that. What else? Can I show you guys? I think did the search, talked about this. You can show as many records as you want. I sold about only 50 recent records, and I can change this down to like 25. This will only show 25 records, so that's a nice little cool feature. And yeah, you can even search in here, and it will even bring up. Make sure I spelled that right. Yeah, I don't know. I think I got to reset that. I got to reset those dates. I think it doesn't work because the dates are not reset. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit reset to demo data to show that it will show the original content that we had. Reset data. Come on. Yep, software and bugs. We're gonna just refresh it. This should show. All right, we'll close this. We'll reopen it again. It's fine. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit reset to demo data. Come on. All right, there we go. So I don't know if you saw that it was working. There's a lot of records here, and plus I didn't do. Uh, I guess my data structures are not the best. I don't really know. I'm still a novice. But yeah, so the data is restored. I got to figure out how to make this a lot faster because I was working on that too. And I just did not like how the records were running slow and running slow for some records and running fast for other records. I guess that's I could probably expand on that on my software design document. But yeah, that's my demo. I hope you really enjoy it. This was definitely difficult. This project went from 1,200 lines of code to under 400 lines of code of actual Python code. So it's definitely a learning experience on software development, and yeah, I definitely enjoyed this class. So thank you for having me.